Dear student, today I will discuss about all pair shortest path problems. In the all pair shortest path problem, a graph is given directed graph g equal to v comma e and a weight function w such that e tend to r for each pair of vertex u comma v. So we compute the shortest path weight delta transition u to v and shortest path if exists. All pair shortest path is the example of dynamic programming. So the output according to all pair shortest path like that v cross v matrix t10 to dij where dij contains the shortest path weight from vertex I to vertex j. Now a matrix pi ij where pi ij nil if either I equal to j or there is no path from I to j. Otherwise pi ij is the predecessors of j, some shortest path from I. So Floyd-Warshall algorithm pseudocode like that. Floyd-Warshall W show the weighted directed graph. So first we check the number of row W equal to n, number of vertex value equal to n, and then we calculate the determinant matrix D0 from the given graph W. After calculating the determinant matrix D0, then we calculate the the next matrix by using the for loop k equal to 1 to n, 2 for I equal to 1 to n, 2 for j equal to 1 to n. Apply the formula do dijk minimum dijk minus 1 comma dikk minus 1 plus dkjk minus 1. Then return value d comma n. So time complexity order of n cube equal to n cube according to this algo because we apply three for loop k, I, j. I is the inner loop for loop of k and j also the inner of k for loop. So therefore the complexity of this pseudocode equal to theta of n cube. For constructing a shortest path for k equal to 0, then we find pi ij 0 nil if I is equal to j or wij equal to infinite. If I path exists, if I is not equal to j and wij less than infinite. For k greater than equal to 1, pi ij k minus 1 if dij k minus 1 less than equal to dik k minus 1 plus dkj k minus 1 and pi kj pi k minus 1 if value of dij k minus 1 greater than dik k minus 1 plus dkj k minus 1. अगर इस कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहा तो वैल्यू पाई मैट्रिक्स में पाई के जे के माइनस 1 होगी. अगर ये सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है तो पाई मैट्रिक्स में वैल्यू फिल होगी पाई आई जे के माइनस 1. For example, if weighted graph is given and total number of node is 5, then we apply the Floyd-Warshall algorithm of the graph. Now first we calculate the weighted graph T matrix, T0 matrix. 1 to 2 path is exist and weight equal to 3. 1 to 3 path is exist and weight equal to 8, and 1 to 5 path exist and weight equal to minus 4. So calculate T mat D0 0 3 8 infinite minus 4. 1 to 4 no path exist. 1 node to 4 node no path exist. Outgoing path exist, no outgoing path exist. So the value take the matrix fill equal to infinity. 1 to 2 value 1 to 2 node matrix value 3, 1 to 1 0, 1 to 3 8, 1 to 5 equal to 4. Similarly, we go to the next node, next row 2 and fill the entries of each. 2 to 1 node no path exists इसलिए infinity. 2 to 2 self node पे 0 weight and 2 से 3 path नहीं exist कर रहा है infinite. 2 to 4 path exist and weight 1 2 to 5 path exist and weight 7. So entry infinity, infinity, infinity 0, infinity 1 and 7. Infinity 0, infinity 1 and 7. So we calculate the D0 matrix after the calculating and and parallelly we calculate the pi matrix. If path is not exist, then take the value of nil. If path exists, take the value according to row first 1 and row 2 2 and row in 3 3 and row in 4 4, row 5 in 5. In 6 0 5. If a value exists, two a value exists, so 4 4. One value exists, so 3 row, and second row may value exists 2, and this row may value exists 3 1 2 3. So इसलिए 1 1. After calculating the D0 matrix, we apply the for loop I equal to 1, k equal to 1, I equal to 1, j equal to 1 to D1 1 k, यानी D1 मैट्रिक्स में 1 1 की प्लेस पे मिनिमम आप D110 कॉमा D110 प्लस D110 D110 प्लस 0 कॉमा 0 यानी मिनिमम वैल्यू 0, तो प्लेस इन D1 मैट्रिक्स इक्वल टू 0. So in the matrix of D0 equal to 0. Next, value of j increases and fill the entries 3 8 infinity. Now we solve this matrix using the shortcut method. For solving of D1 matrix, we choose first column and first row same value 0 3 8 infinity and this value. And we check 3 plus infinity infinity less, check the value of 0 smaller 0, तो यहाँ पे 0 ही रहेगा. 8 plus infinity infinity रहेगा, 8 infinity plus infinity 1 ही रहेगा. -4 plus infinity यहाँ 7 ही रहेगा. No value change. Now check the value 3 plus infinity, 3 plus infinity 4, 8 plus infinity 0, infinity plus infinity 4 minus infinity this. Now check 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Value of 3 plus 2 equal to 5 less than infinity. So replace infinity by the 5. Similarly, 8 plus 2 10 less than greater than 5, no changes, no changes. -4 comma 2 minus 2 is less than infinity, so value replace infinity by 2. अब जहां जहां पे वैल्यू रिप्लेस हुई है, we update the value 1 by D1 matrix in pi matrix. Now we calculate the D2 matrix. We select the first row and first column same value of this matrix, and then we compare 3 plus infinity value of this, 4 plus इसमें आपको 3 plus infinity value of this, 3 plus 4 infinity plus 4 infinity plus 5 infinity plus infinity, कोई वैल्यू नहीं चेंज होगा, infinity ऐड करना. Now next भी इसमें भी कॉलम में कोई वैल्यू चेंज नहीं, बट यहाँ पे 1 plus 3 4 less than infinity यहाँ पे 4 हो जाएगा, 1 plus 4 यहाँ 5 हो जाएगा, 1 plus 5 no value change, 1 plus infinity no value change. देखिए after D matrix we change the matrix values and corresponding we change the value of pi matrix. Similarly, we calculate the D3 matrix by choosing the column 3 row 3 column and calculate the value same way, and B5 or calculate the D5 matrix by using the Floyd-Warshall algorithm. Then this is the shortest path, all pair shortest path matrix diagram. So next all pair shortest example of all pair shortest path is transitive closure. With the help of transitive closure, we solve the Boolean values true or false. It is not a weighted graph. If path is exist, the true, path is not exist, false, but the same node is always true. So first we calculate the T0 matrix. T0 equal to 1 1 1 1 पे true 1 लिखेंगे, 1 2 no path exists 0, 1 2 3 no path exists 0, 1 2 4 no path exists 0. Similarly, 2 to 1 no path exists, 0 2 पे 2 1 true है, 2 से 3 path exists, 2 से 4 path exists, true 1 1. After completing this T0 matrix, we calculate the T1 matrix. First row, first column same रहेगा, and then we perform AND operation with OR operation with AND operation 0 0 and 0 1 1 0 0 1. Then performing the AND operation, we find the next matrix by according to this algo. Tijk value calculation, calculated the value Tijk using Tijk minus 1 for OR operation Tikk minus 1 and operation Tkj minus 1. So for example, वैल्यू चेंज यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं हुई, T1 से T2 वैल्यू देखो चेंज हो रही है दिस वैल्यू। तो फॉर कौन सा कॉलम है 3/4, तो टी के की वैल्यू 2 है T2 मैट्रिक्स, एंड आई की वैल्यू आपकी है 4, आई की वैल्यू 3, जे की वैल्यू 4। तो 3,4 में solve for T2 second row and second column and second row सेम रखेंगे, फिर परफॉर्म करेंगे ऑपरेशन आफ्टर द सेलेक्टिंग ऑफ दिस एंड दिस। परफॉर्म द ऑपरेशन। सपोज दैट वैल्यू ऑफ Tij, value of k equal to 2 for determine value of k equal to 3 determine 3, value of I equal to j equal to 1, so T11 k minus 1 matrix and T2 matrix, T11 प्लेस पे, T2 मैट्रिक्स 1 1 प्लेस पे और T2 मैट्रिक्स 1 1 प्लेस पे। तो 1 1 का T2 मैट्रिक्स के सपोज के दिस मैट्रिक्स बनाना है k इक्वल टू, तो इसमें T1 T2 ले रहे हैं तो T2 के बाद T3 बनेगा, और T2 बना रहे हैं तो T1 मैट्रिक्स आएगा, k इक्वल टू -1 है, तो यहाँ k वैल्यू 2 है तो k की वैल्यू माइनस आ जाए k -1। T1 मैट्रिक्स की प्लेस पे हमें देखना है कि 1 1 पे क्या है, 1 1 पे 1 है, 1 1 पे 1 है, तो T11 1 1, तो ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करेंगे, एंड ऑपरेशन के बाद 1 ही आएगा, तो इसलिए रिप्लेस द वैल्यू ऑफ T2 इज 1। तो आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ दिस सेकेंड रो, ऐसे ले लेते सेकेंड कॉलम एंड सेकेंड रो, we perform 0 plus 0 and operation 1 0 1 0 1 and operation 0 or operation 0 0 0 and operation or operation 1. Similarly, this value first, check the value of this value 1 0 1 0 or operation 0 and operation, sorry and operation 0 0 का और operation 0, 1 1 का and operation 1 और ऑपरेशन 0, तो रिप्लेस क्या हो जाएगा 1, तो यहाँ पे 1। सिमिलरली 1 0 का एंड ऑपरेशन 0 और ऑपरेशन 1, तो यहाँ पे 1 रिप्लेस। आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग ऑफ दिस वी कैलकुलेट द T3 थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम, एंड आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग द थर्ड then we calculate fourth third row third column, and we can solve the transitive closure algorithm with the help of the all pair shortest path algorithm. So the time complexity of all pair shortest path algorithm is equal to theta of nq, because k is update for the matrix, I is update for the row, and j update for the column. 3 inner loop, 3 for loop are continuously uses, so the time complexity of this algorithm is equal to theta of nq.